How to add copy to clipboard button to WordPress quick and easy. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a copy to clipboard button into your WordPress in the easiest, most simplest way possible. And it's really quick on how you're going to do this. So all you're going to do is, first of all, you're going to go into your website's editor, okay? And once you go into your website's editor, obviously over there, you're going to add some embedded codes. So once you go into adding embedded codes, you're going to make sure to open up a new tab. And then in the new tab, you're going to go to and write copy to clipboard button HTML code. You're going to write that in. And it's basically going to give you this HTML code that you're going to copy off of here. It's a copy to clipboard button right here. So they're going to give you this example of HTML. And you're just going to go ahead and copy this. You're also going to add the JavaScript and all. So you can add your CSS and everything should be good to go. So you're going to copy this. And once you do that, obviously go into your site's editor. In the case that you don't get the option to add embedding over here, you can just come straight up to your web and design over here. Like this is my website. So I'm going to open up my website over here, and as you open up your website, it's going to give you these options. So just visit your site, and as you visit your site over there, you can just go ahead and start your editing. You can launch your site, whatever you want. But yeah, just embed the code to copy clipboard into your embedding link, and that should add copy to clipboard button to your WordPress. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.